Okay guys, once again very warm welcome, very pleasant welcome to my class, and today we are going to discuss models. The first topic, model, or first of all we have to discuss the definition, or we have to elaborate what is the meaning of models, what do you mean by models. So here you can find the definition of the model is like this: the finite means two, the finite which express the mood or manner of the action, and it denotes the principal verb are termed as models. After that, this class means the class of following groups. This class of helping verbs not only assist in informing questions and negatives, but it also express a wide range of meaning also. Means it is not only used for making a question, or you can see making of negative sentences, rather it elaborate the broad meaning of the sentence. After that, these helping verbs, what kind of helping verbs we are going to discuss? These are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. These are also known as modal auxiliaries. Means to say that we can express modals as modal auxiliaries also. Now further we have to move. They express the degree of certainty. Means it's certainty of the action in the sentence or the attitude or opinion of the writer or speaker concerning the action. Means it shows the certain mentality of the speaker or the writer which is going to be concerned. After this, need, dare, and used to are called as semi-modals. Means they are not able to particularly fit in the modals group. So these are called as semi-modals. Now we have to discuss nature of models. What kind of nature is going to be observed in models? So there are basically three natures which is very important. The first one is models are never used alone. Means models will never be utilized alone. For example, you can see here, I can upon the tabla. Here this sentence is very totally according to grammar is wrong. I can play upon the tabla is the correct answer. So modals have a principal verb with them. Now the second point is modals don't change according to the number of the subject. Means there is no change as the change of the subject, means in the point of view of number or person. So here we can see that I can play, he can play, you can play. These are the examples. The third and the last nature of the models, that models don't have the infinite form. We can't apply to with them in order to use them in a sentence like this. Here you can see we must to, we must to. Here to is marked as get there before time. This sentence is incorrect, and we must get there before time is the correct answer. After that, the first model, we have to discuss the utilization, the functions of the first model, which is considered as can. What kind of uses you can find, or one can find about the can? Can is used to take permission. For example, can I take your pen? Can is used to make a request. Can you lend me some money, please? The third utilization of the can is it is used to express the possibility. Means it expresses the possibility. For example, you can go there by car. It means it shows the possibility by the car you can reach there. And to last, it is used to express the ability. Means only you can solve the question, or we can say that I can solve the question, which shows the ability of the speaker. Now we have to discuss the past form of can, which is known as could. So here you can see the functions of the Could it is also used to express ability, talent, but these are used as in the past. For example, she could sing beautifully. After that, it is used, means could is used to express request. For example, could you please lend me some money, or you can say could you lend me some money please. And to conclude with, it is used to express possibility. It also express the possibility as the can was going to be done. For example, if we were rich, we could buy so many things. Means the purchasing attitude is totally dependent on the richness of the speaker. But here you have to note one thing, that note can never express the past time. So it is the prime duty of ourselves that we mind it that can never expresses the past time. So thank you for joining me, and in my next video you can find the other models, uses of other models. Till then, thank you so much. Thank you so much.